Hello viewers, here we are with the next topic of CPU scheduling, that is scheduling criteria. What are the different criteria that we should keep in mind before selecting a particular CPU scheduling algorithm? So we have various algorithms, but these all algorithms have different properties and may favor one class of processes over another. So in choosing which algorithm to use in a particular situation, we must consider the properties of the various algorithms. So many criteria have been suggested for comparing the CPU scheduling algorithm. The characteristics used for comparison can make a substantial difference in the determination of the best algorithm. Okay? So what are those characteristics? These are the 5 characteristics, and or you can say these are the 5 criteria that we can use to select the best algorithm among all. Okay? So the first is CPU utilization. What is that CPU utilization? देखो, in why we switch to the multi-programming environment? To maximize the CPU utilization. ठीक है? So we want to keep the CPU busy as much as possible. ठीक? So CPU utilization we always calculate it in a percentage, 0 to 100%. कितना यूटिलाइज हो रहा है हम ऐसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं. So in a real system it should range from 40% to 90%. अगर 40% मतलब लाइटली लोडेड सिस्टम होगा तो हमको 40% मिलेगा, एंड हैविली है तो 90% हम लोग यूज़ कर रहे हैं CPU का. दैट इज़ दैट CPU यूटिलाइजेशन. सो वी हैव टू मैक्सिमाइज दैट CPU यूटिलाइजेशन. जो एल्गोरिदम हमको सबसे बेस्ट CPU यूटिलाइजेशन देगा, वी आर गोइंग टू सेलेक्ट दोज एल्गोरिदम. देन नेक्स्ट इज थ्रूपुट. व्हाट इज थ्रूपुट? द नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेसेस कंप्लीटेड पर यूनिट टाइम इज कॉल्ड थ्रूपुट. ठीक. सो इफ द CPU इज बिजी एग्जीक्यूटिंग द प्रोसेसेस, सो मतलब वर्क हमारा चल रहा है. सो वन मेजर ऑफ द वर्क इज द नंबर ऑफ processes completed per unit time. This is called throughput. So for long processes this rate may be 1 process per hour, and for short transaction throughput might be 10 processes per second. ठीक. तो एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम यूनिट में कितने नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेसेस एग्जीक्यूट हो रहे हैं, दैट इज़ द थ्रूपुट, एंड दैट इज़ एक्चुअली डिपेंडेंट अपॉन द CPU ऑल्सो, कि कितना टाइम CPU ले रहा है एक एक प्रोसेस को एग्जीक्यूट करने में. सो फॉर लॉन्गर प्रोसेस इट विल टेक टाइम, एंड फॉर शॉर्टर प्रोसेस it doesn't take time. ठीक है. Then the next is average turnaround time. What was the turnaround time? The time or the amount of time or the interval from the submission to the completion of the a particular process. ठीक. तो turnaround time में कौन कौन सा टाइम आता है? 2 टाइम आता है, that is waiting time and burst time. सो एवरेज टर्न अराउंड टाइम कैसे निकालेंगे? जितने प्रोसेसेस सिस्टम में है सभी को सम कर देंगे डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर ऑफ प्रोसेसेस. सो दिस विल गिव यू एवरेज टर्न अराउंड टाइम ऑफ एन एल्गोरिदम. ठीक. एवरेज वेटिंग टाइम, अगेन you can calculate the waiting time by the given formula in the last video, and by adding all those waiting time of all the processes and dividing it by the number of processes. It gives you average waiting time. And average response time, again response time you are able to calculate those response time, and after adding all those response time of all the processes by dividing it by the number of processes in the system gives you average response time. So one thing you should keep in mind, this CPU utilization and throughput, we want to maximize the CPU utilization and throughput, and we want to minimize this average turnaround time and average response time. ठीक है. So these are the criteria, scheduling criteria or performance. For with that you can evaluate the performance of a different CPU scheduling algorithm. Okay. Thank you so much.